Hey, good morning. We're here at Lake Mead where I'm wrapped up warm ahead of running the the Hoover Dam Marathon. It's just above 0 degrees centigrade, so it's very freezing, and I'm going to be stripping down to my shorts and vest, which I'm not completely looking forward to, but I suppose once I start running I'll warm up. But you can see we've got a marathon in these amazing surroundings. We're going to be running out to the Hoover Dam, back again, and then doing it all over again for 26 miles or 42 kilometers. It's going to be hilly. There'll be a lot of trail, so it's going to be demanding. But on a day like this, when we've got such beautiful conditions and surroundings, it should be an amazing adventure. I hope to see you at the finish line in one piece.
Did want to give a special shout out. We have a lot of people trying to get that 50 marathons in 50 states, and we have a 72 or 7 cheer. And we are 2 minutes away from the start of the marathon. Final call for all of our marathon athletes to the start line, please.
Hello guys! So the marathon just started and Simon told me he should be back in the next 4 hours. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do in the next 4 hours. So I can't just sit in the car and shield myself from the cold, although I've done that. I'm thinking, look at my background guys, it's such a dramatic background, so I'm thinking I'm gonna stretch my legs and let's go out for a walk. Let's see if I can get closer to that water down there. Okay guys, it was actually very cold today before the marathon starts, like 5 or 6 in the morning guys. It was -2 and -3, and then when the marathon starts it was 8 in the morning, it was 0. So I had to borrow a gloves and this hat from my friend because I didn't realize it would drop, the temperature would drop so quickly here. I've got all my winter stuff, but I wasn't really prepared. So it's a nice look at the view. Okay, that's the reason why Simon said I should come back in the next 4 hours, because this is not a fast course. There's a lot of climbing and downhill, so that's very difficult for marathon runners. And we are here. It's very peaceful out here. You can only hear the sound of the waves. There's some birds in there. Now then, my question is, how cold the water will be. Let's see. It's not that cold. Now, Simon just sent me a text. He's coming up. Oh my god, I didn't realize this water is far. So I need to run back. I'm gonna show you the distance, guys. The distance that I need to run back to catch Simon finishing. Hold on. So that is the distance there that I need to run back. Okay. I think that's like 2 kilometers maybe. So guys, see you there.